If you're interested in building a shop without using Shopify, there are many alternatives to choose from. We will list all the best Shopify alternatives in the video. While each one has its own pros and cons, they all offer a similar platform for building e-commerce sites. Before we take a closer look at these options, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified anytime we upload a video. Without wasting any more time, here are some of the best Shopify alternatives. 1. Squarespace. If you are looking for a platform to sell your products, you may want to consider Shopify alternatives like Squarespace. Squarespace has become a popular option for many online merchants. However, it is not right for every small business. Fortunately, there are several alternatives to Squarespace that will help your business succeed quickly. Unlike Shopify, Squarespace is more focused on content, but it has plenty of e-commerce features. Its commerce app lets you edit content and manage orders. It also has a points-based rewards program. While Shopify is the leader in e-commerce, Squarespace also has several advantages. Its drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly, so even those without experience in web design can use it. Squarespace also offers a free domain name for the first year. 2. Weebly. Weebly is an easy-to-use alternative to Shopify. Its drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily create a web store. You can even point to a photo or video to add it to your store. This means that you can quickly add more content to your store without a lot of hassle. Weebly also has a great reputation with customers. Weebly comes with a wide range of themes that you can choose from to create a unique design. Unlike Shopify, these themes are mobile-friendly and previewable, which makes it easier for you to customize your store. Moreover, there's no need to download a demo version of Weebly themes, which makes customization easier. Weebly also provides mobile-friendly e-commerce tools. For example, mobile users can purchase from their mobile devices, and the platform has several features such as coupon codes and filtered queries. The platform also allows you to accept payments through PayPal. Another notable feature is the coupon builder, which allows you to create coupons. These coupons can be dollar-based or percentage-based. There are also tools to recover abandoned carts and include a coupon code in an email. While Shopify may have better design tools and more features, Weebly is still cheaper and more user-friendly. If you're a small business owner, Weebly may be a better fit for your needs. 3. Ecwid. For small businesses that don't want to use a complicated website builder, Ecwid is a great choice. It offers a free plan for up to 10 products and is easy to integrate with your current website. Ecwid also integrates with multiple social media platforms. It can help you manage your inventory and orders, and even run advertisements. Ecwid is compatible with mobile devices, allowing your storefront to be displayed in 45 different languages. Another advantage of Ecwid is its mobile store app, which enables customers to buy products on the go. While Shopify can provide you with a fully functioning online store within just a few clicks, Ecwid allows you to add e-commerce features to an existing website. Ecwid is also a great choice for small businesses that are growing quickly. It offers many advantages over Shopify and can be a great option if you already have a website. Ecwid is not a store builder, so customization isn't as easy as with Shopify. It is a plugin that integrates with your existing site, so you can choose the look you want. But it is important to note that you can customize the appearance of the storefront with a little CSS. 4. Magento. Magento is open source and offers more customization options than Shopify. Its code is not locked, allowing you to customize any aspect of your store however you want. However, Magento is not for beginners, as it requires some level of HTML/CSS coding knowledge. Using Magento is a great option for businesses that have a team of developers who can help them set up a shop. However, it does come with a high total cost of ownership. The open-source version of Magento is free, but if you want to use the community edition, you will need to host it and provide support. While Magento is capable of supporting a variety of payment gateways, the number of integrations is much smaller than Shopify's. 5. WooCommerce. If you are in the market for a new e-commerce platform, you might be wondering whether WooCommerce or Shopify is right for you. Both platforms have some key differences. WooCommerce offers complete control over your store, while Shopify is more scalable and easy to use. Both platforms have their pros and cons, but in the end, your choice will come down to your skills and experience. Both WooCommerce and Shopify support different payment gateways. However, they charge additional fees for using these services. These fees vary depending on the plan you choose, but they average 2% for basic and 1% for advanced. With WooCommerce, you'll also have to pay for a domain name and hosting. WooCommerce can cost a little more than Shopify, but there are many free extensions and premium themes available. If you want to use a theme that is optimized for sales, you may want to consider a paid WooCommerce theme. These themes can cost anywhere from $150 to $300. You can also download WooCommerce themes from third-party marketplaces. WooCommerce is a great alternative to Shopify if you'd like to build an online store yourself. 6. OpenCart. OpenCart is an e-commerce platform designed to help you run a successful online business. While OpenCart does not have any built-in SEO features, it does provide you with basic SEO features such as meta tags, 301 referrals, and rel canonical. It also comes with a wide range of extensions that can improve your SEO performance. OpenCart is more flexible than Shopify for businesses that wish to run multi-currency stores. You can use any currency and set up automatic rate updates. It also supports different taxes. In comparison, Shopify only supports multi-currency stores when you use Shopify payments. OpenCart also has a built-in affiliate system and supports rewards programs, discounts, coupons, and more. Additionally, it offers the ability to set up customer groups and send email newsletters to customers. OpenCart also lets you track your marketing campaigns. OpenCart is free and a great option for small businesses. Both OpenCart and Shopify offer free trials, and both offer admin and storefront demos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.